Coach, a tough matchup tonight. You guys didn't get the result that you wanted. Are you pretty much disappointed that they won the 10 man and you couldn't really capitalize on that?
Well, definitely, I think after they went down to 10, we move away from our game plan in terms of keeping the ball, knocking around the ball, and make more penetrative pass to the centre forward. And I think throwing away so many goals to end up cost us in the end.
How disappointing was that, coach? As I say, you got many chances and didn't convert. Coach,
surprise?
It was very disappointed, very much disappointed. In terms of even if we, as we said to them that if we cannot score, we could just take the points and go away. So it was very disappointed, losing the game 2-1 tonight to Dwyane.
So how will Tivoli go from here with this bad run of form?
Well, we have to just continue build, stay positive, and hope that luck will come our way for the next 6 games.
Nakila Fuller, a youngster community in striker position. Look, showed a lot of potential. What do you think? What's your assessment of his performance?
It's the 3rd game and he's playing very well. I think we play down our country the Thursday, and him give us a very good game. And him come here tonight, and I think he give a very good account of himself tonight too. So we have to just continue build and just let the player them know that listen, we just have to continue work. I think this team is very young, just put together. So we have a lot of positive that we can take away from it. Experience coming out and a lot of things.
Coach.
Yeah, man, thanks.